Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Tubement. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java 8, which is intended for end users. Okay, this is last release of uh, Java 8 that was released on July 16, 2024, and this is obviously intended for end users, not for developers. Okay, you can read it here. Why is Java 8 recommended? Java.com is for end users who need Java for running application on desktop and laptop. Integrates with your operating system to run separately install Java application. Java to run desktop application, it is most likely you need Java 8. Developers are encouraged to download from here or from here, which is both are almost the same thing. Okay, so if you go to this takes you to Oracle and you can download uh, 22 JDK 22 from here. Okay, but this is intended for normal like end users, so simply go to this java.com/en/download and download this JDK Java 8, and this shouldn't take a long time. It's a very small package. It says JRE, so it is not a complete package, it is just JRE, which is intended for end users. So download it and click on it. You can right click on it, you can double click on this download it package and just let it be installed. Okay, so you can simply say install, and this is going to install Java 8, which is just a runtime environment for applications on desktop, laptop, notebook. This is a notebook. Okay, I'm installing on. Obviously, this is Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, or 11, it is going to be the same process everywhere. So go ahead and install Java 8, and this has been installed. Now if you go ahead and simply say Java, it should run. You can see Java is run and it is identified, so it's been added to your system. Now to uninstall it, you simply press Windows key and R, and then you can say appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, and you can look for Java 8 update for any uninstall it from here. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. Bye for now. If you can subscribe, please subscribe.